ESM News. Today we are here with the 6th grade to talk about their theme project, which is to reduce waste in their school cafeteria. So, Alice, what's Hartford's point of view on composting and recycling?
Hartford has no formal trash sorting program. This year, Hartford went to recyclable cardboard trays, but they are not used often. Hartford has recycling bins and garbage cans to separate the trash. Hartford does not collect compost at school. Hartford said there's not enough people to wash dishes or they use throwaway materials.
All right, thank you. Shaylee, what's our progress from beginning to now?
We've gotten organized and found ways to convince others to be interested in what we are doing. We've also gotten the cafe to contribute this year to the amount of food that gets composted. We have started to sort trash now, recycle, trash, compost, liquid. We also use our compost to fertilize gardens and trees. We use real trays that you wash, not throw away.
Okay, Namian, how did you come up with your sorting system?
We looked at models to see the different types of organizations, especially the Cafeteria Culture Organization from New York City, and how kids develop cafeteria rangers. They made posters, they made badges, and they learned the importance of each part, like the green leader, the plate captain, recycling captain, trash captain, and compost captain.
All right, thank you. All right, Mia, where did you get your knowledge about composting and recycling?
We researched movies, documents about ocean pollution, talked with Mr. Sablon, as well as reading Zell articles to get the majority of our information.
Okay, thank you. Don't worry, I didn't forget about you. All right, Bruno, what have we done to prepare?
Well, we have done a lot. Meet with Mr. Sablon, cafe manager, looked at models in other schools, New York City, Newsella articles on compost and recycling research, Hartford current article about outsourcing to New Jersey, analyze contents of garbage cans, made posters using garbage to show other kids the difference between what's garbage and what's not. Made Kahoot. Practice sorting 6th grade wave, taught other grades to sort correctly, monitored the other grade sorting.
Okay, Elliot, why did you analyze garbage cans?
Well, we analyzed our garbage cans mainly to see where the problem was. This helped us find solution. For example, we were fixing garbage and recycling in the same cans, or were we putting recycling with the trash because it had food on it, like yogurt containers. And the solution was we rinse the yogurt off before we put it in the garbage.
Okay, thank you. Nicole, how did we get people interested in our project?
We taught younger kids as well as older kids that all we knew about the composting and recycling topic, and also provided more information that might have interested them. We also made students make slideshows on the recycling and composting topic, trained all grades about the sorting process during lunch waves, and created posters and Kahoots as reminders for kids.
Okay. Colby, how did you make sure people are sorting trash correctly in all lunch waves?
We sent cafeteria rangers to each lunch wave to monitor what students are doing. We trained monitors for each grade level starting at grade 2. And we weighed the compost bucket, as well as kept track with tally marks to see how many kids are sorting correctly.
Hi, I'm live from ESM News, and today we are with some 6th graders to talk about our cafeteria system. Let's start with question 1. Who influenced our sorting system?
The Cafe Ranger system out of New York City Public Schools.
Let's go to question 2. What goes in the compost bin?
Mainly apples, grapes, pineapples, carrots, broccoli, buns, rolls, and there can't be any meat or any dairy because it's just from compost.
Let's go to question 3. What's the difference between the recycle bin and the garbage?
The difference between the recycle bin and the garbage is that in the recycle bin you put paper, cardboard, and cans and like hard plastic like sporks, and you also put glass and metal in recycling. But in garbage you also put food scraps like dairy and meat, all containers with like food on them like yogurt, and soft plastic.
Thank you. Let's go to question 4. Why is recycling important to our school system?
School systems have large contributors to compost and recycling waste. Reduce the compost and compost recycling in the trash, and landfills. Teaching future generations to take care about the earth.
Let's go to question 5. Why do we need cafe monitors?
We need cafe monitors to influence the importance of recycling, garbage, compost, and liquids.
Let's go to question 6. How long did the training take?
We trained for 2 months, did the 6th grade way for 3 weeks, and we trained 6th graders to go to other ways and influence them.
Let's go to questions. Did the system work?
Yes, the system worked. We reduced the amount of waste during the year of 2021 and starting to influence the amount of waste in 2022.
Let's go to question 8. What are your next steps?
We want to continue to proceed next year to try and work with a company/school to get rid of plastic utensils and to get new materials.
Let's go to question 9. Who sets up and takes down the sorting equipment?
Cafe monitors set and take down cafe sorting equipment.
Thank you. Let's go to question 10. What do we do with the compost?
What we do is 4th graders bring their compost to the large bin outside and start the process by turning the compost baby to help with airflow and with decomposition. Then we use it to fertilize gardens and trees like this one.
Let's go to question 11. What do we do with the recycling?
We separate the recycling and put the blue bin that has all the recycling stuff out to be taken by the city to go to New Jersey.
Thank you. Let's go to question 12. Where does meat go? And dairy?
Meat goes into the garbage, dairy goes into the garbage, and liquid goes into the bin.
Thank you for watching ESM News.
Good morning. It's Galia from ESM News, and here we're with our 4th grade compost experts this year. What type of fruits and veggies go into the compost?
Apples, strawberries, carrots, bananas, broccoli, pears, no liquids from fruits, caps, a lot of citrus, orange, and lemons.
Thank you. Question 2. Where does the compost go when it's done?
The compost goes in an earth tub, which mixes the compost together. We use at the school to fertilize gardens and trees.
Thank you. Do you know what makes up most of the compost?
Fruits, veggies, breads, nuts, eggshells, coffee, organic.
Thank you. Process of composting.
Water, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. Make up to 2 5-gallon buckets of compost at one time per day.
How long does it take the compost to be ready?
It can take from 6 to 2 weeks before the compost can be used. If turned, giving it air, it can take up to a year or more if not turned.
Thank you. Let's move on to our next case. Good afternoon.
This is Galia from ESM News. We are here today with some 6th graders students to find out a little more about their theme project. Starting off with Don Morales. Do you know why these cahoots were made?
Yeah, cahoots were made to teach the school the importance of sorting trash in the 5 R's, which is refuse, reuse, reduce, recycle, and rot.
Interesting. Hey there, Lonnie. Can you tell me what kids can learn from those cahoots?
Kids can learn how to sort trash properly. In fact, facts about trash and composting, as well as the importance of organization in our system.
Hey, Jakai. Can you tell me where the cahoots were challenging?
It depends on which level you choose. Multiple levels were created. K through 2nd grade, 3rd through 5th grade, 6th through 8th grade.
Joey, what was your source for the Kahoot answers?
We have used multiple sources, but the most useful ones were Newsella, Google, and YouTube.
Carlos, can you tell me why you made 3 different Kahoots?
Because it might be hard or easy for others, and we wanted to teach all students from K through 8th, so we made 3 levels of difficulties.
Thank you. Aiden, what type of questions will we expect on the Kahoot?
What/how to sort, what to put in each bin, 5 R's, trash intake, general recycle, composting information, and etc.
That's all for today at ESM News. Thank you for watching.